How to use Google Gemini Live on Android. First, open the Google Play Store and make sure the Google Gemini app is installed and updated to the latest version. Next, open the Gemini app and sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. On the main screen, look for the Live button or the microphone icon near the bottom of the screen. Tap it to start a live conversation with Gemini. If this is your first time using Gemini Live, allow the required permissions, including microphone access. You may also be asked to make Gemini your default digital assistant. You can follow the prompts or skip this step if you prefer. Once Gemini Live starts, simply speak your question naturally. You can ask for help with writing, translations, travel planning, coding, homework, brainstorming ideas, or everyday tasks. Gemini will respond with a natural voice, and you can continue the conversation without pressing the microphone button each time. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Gemini Live on Android. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google AI tips, Android tutorials, and easy tech guides.